Started us on a fucking bad timing here. I'm in a bad mood right now, so I'm gonna try not to swear and talk too much. Just before I started this video, I was filming a ride on the 43B Kennedy, right, and then at Ellesmere Road, and then this guy comes on, and he's, I don't think he said anything to me, but he was pointing to the sea. He's like, what the fuck are you trying to are you trying to explain to me here? Why? Because he thought I was pointing the camera at him. And then he just sat like away from me, and he kept flashing his. He did this like 15 fucking times. So that kind of like pissed me off, and then he got off like halfway between Lawrence Avenue East and Eglinton Avenue. Look at this mural here; it's very famous. This line right here, it's gonna be closing next year because you know how old it is. It's aging. This line opened in 1985. And listen how loud this is, you know. Well, anyway, that guy was sort of taunting me. Like, he didn't say anything. He should have been fucking clear about that. And second of all, he should have minded his own fucking business. So at least he got off before I got off at Kennedy Station. What a fucking nuts. You're not supposed to make fun of me. Why? Because, okay, well, because I'm recording. You're in public, for Christ's sake. What the fuck does he care about? First of all, he should have explained something. Like he should have been clear about that. I felt like I was being harassed or something. Anyway, I don't want to get into that shit. The guy's an asshole, and he can go fuck himself. Ah, Jesus Christ. What a world we live in today, eh? Now you guys are probably complain about me swearing. Well, too bad. Why did you click on this video? You can go watch something else. Too bad, so sad. You're a fucking snowflake. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up for the rest of the ride. Because honestly, I have a few things to complain about in life. And you gotta take chances. He didn't say anything on my camera, but that's what I thought he was gonna say. But that's what I thought he was gonna talk about. And he just decided to fucking harass me for like no reason. I don't care if these people in the train are gonna like. I don't mind opening my big fat mouth so everyone can hear that was kind of being harassed. So it's all right. Now we're gonna go on the elevated section of line 3.
The next station is Midland Station.
It's so pointless if you got these drivers announcing, oh, what's the next station? Much.
The next station is Scarborough Center Station.
Look how fast we're going. I love the speed on this thing. I got this whole car to myself.
The next station is McCowan Station.
Next station is McCowan Station.
We're going to McCowan, dummy. Then we'll start over. The lady messed up on that. Yeah, there we go, there we go. At least the driver announced it correct to her. Her name is Susan something.
Arriving at McCowan.
There we go. There we go. She corrected it. Good job. Good job. Don't make mistakes next time. I do not want to get off here and switch to another car because this station is pretty pointless. Like, why add McCowan station here when it's literally like a minute away from Scarborough Center? Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.